करते हैं अपन. द चैप्टर इज रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. तो बेसिकली chapter number 4, this is chapter number 4, relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun or what is pronoun? What is pronoun? Pronoun is any word which is used in place of a noun. Any word which is used in place of noun are called pronoun. Any word used in a place of a noun is pronoun. ठीक है. So for example, don't write anything on whiteboard. Keep your mobile aside. ठीक है ना. Keep your mobile in front of you and don't touch it. If you touch it, you will write something. For example, if I say, see your page number 11, see Maya said to me that Maya was going to Maya's school. Here in this sentence, Maya is coming 3 times. Maya said to that Maya was going to Maya's school. So instead of using Maya 3 times, we write this sentence in a different way. Like Maya said to me. Here in place of Maya we use a word me, that she was going to her school. Sorry, not me. In place of Maya we use she, and another Maya we used word her. Maya said to me that she was going to her school. So in place of Maya we use she, and Maya's we use her. So she and her are pronoun because these two words used in place of noun, and Maya is a noun. Getting my point? Okay. Now relative pronoun. हाँ हनी बोल. दीक्षांशी. हाँ बिल्कुल. Relative pronoun, basically pronoun is a word which joins two sentences. Okay. For example, this is the camera which I have recently bought. See, here which is a relative pronoun because word which is joining two sentences. Sentences like this is the camera and I have bought. I have recently bought. Okay, so basically which is connecting these two sentences. Got it? Acha, wait. All of you, from now on, we all are going to speak in English. If you want to ask me any question, you have to speak in English. Okay? If you find anything difficult, then you can ask me in Hindi. I'll translate it to you in English. Okay? But try to speak in English. Like, sir, I have a problem. Okay. Problem like, sir, I don't understand this line. I don't understand that word. This and that, in place of this and that, you have to tell me the line or word. Like, sir, I don't understand the line. Sir, I don't understand this line. A pronoun which joins two sentences. So, like this, you will ask me question if you have any doubt. Chaliye. Yes, honey, you were saying. Now, use of. Don't write on white screen. Who is this? Use of who. See, where who is used to join two sentences. Okay? Whenever we have to join two sentences, we use a word who. Second, who is used only for people. If we are talking about people, we use who. Okay, for example, the man who is there is my uncle. The man is an what? Person. Uncle is also a person. So here who is used to connect these two sentences. Okay? Say yes or no. Okay. Repeat again. Exactly. Then whom. Where whom is used, basically whom is also used for a person. Okay? Here object can be singular or plural. You know what is singular and plural. And next thing, it is put before second sentence in place of him. It is used in place of him. In place of him, we use whom, and it is put before second sentence. For example, the boy whom you teach is very intelligent. The boy, ठीक है ना? What is if I say objective case? So objective case is boy. Boy is singular, but whether it is singular or plural, it doesn't matter. We will use whom, but in place of him and her, we use whom. And last thing, to connect two sentences, we also use whom. Yes. Whom, अगर if I say in Hindi, whom is किसका, whom कौन, whom and who is used for living people. If the noun is living thing, a living person, we use who and whom. किसका, whom is किसका, whose. Basically, don't go for Hindi words. Just try to understand the line or the example. The woman whom you had. अब see, the woman whom you had, जिसको you have held, जिसकी you have held. Basically, talking about a person whom is a social worker. Here we are here whom is used for a boy. In second sentence, whom is used for a woman. Okay. Yes. The woman whom you helped is a social worker. Here whom is used for woman. Somebody has helped this woman and this woman is a social worker. Okay. Now whose, किसका. Basically, whose is used for human beings and also non-living things. Okay. Example, this is the man whose father is a famous doctor. Fourth is which. Which is used for non-living things. Basically, which is used for non-living things, and in a situation when there is living thing, we also use which, but that living entity should be very small or tiny. जैसे the baby which was found there was very healthy. Baby is little or tiny. ठीक है? For tiny living entities we use which, but for non-living things, whether it is tiny or big, we use which. Okay. Tiny. Yes. Page number 12. We use which for non-living things and for tiny living things. Tiny is a small, very small. Next one is that. That is used for person, thing, animal. That is also used to join two sentences, and it is used at the beginning of second sentence. For example, the dress. The dress. Wait. The dress. Dress is one sentence. Then the dress. Yes. What? Beta, your voice is not audible. Basically, your voice is breaking. क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो तुम? लिख दो.